Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to check promo code on your OneXBet account. Before we proceed, don't forget to use our promo code Chelsea TV when you register into your OneXBet account. And to do that, you click on the big green register button above. Then you click on full. When you click on full, on this next section, you input all the necessary information needed here, including your country of origin. And then on the promo code section, you input the promo code Chelsea TV. After inputting the promo code Chelsea TV, you get a 300% bonus on your first deposit, which means when you deposit $10,000, you get $40,000, and then you register. Okay, guys, so back to our video. So to check your promo code on your OneXBet account, you click on menu. After clicking on menu, you scroll down to the bottom and you see promo codes. You click on promo code. As you can see, I have 0 promo points. So to check your promo codes, you see my promo codes on the top. You click on it. As you can see, I don't have any promo codes available yet. You can click on active promo code, redeemed promo code, expired promo code, and that's how you check your promo codes on your OneXBet account.